So let's just see how this guy goes. Actually, when you get it going, it goes in pretty well. It's really not that bad. Don't be afraid, the control board is not exactly at the surface or near the split here. I wonder if this was already open. Who knows? Again, watch your fingers, watch the table. Okay, let's see this one. You notice the pins are just retracting from there. And I have bits of plastic. Alright. Okay. Oh, that's the original battery. It's a green one. I think you see it there. The board, it's perfect. First off, disconnect from the board, pull the wires, just pull it, there's no tab to depress, but go gently a little bit with some force. Okay, no worries. And then the battery sits in there, and it's really awful to undo without breaking this bracket here. It's a plastic, has it's attached on two sides. I would say try to preserve it, but there is no way to pull the battery on the side. Forget about it. So what I finally did, I broke the tabs on one side. Maybe break it here, but maybe keep one side. It still stays in place. You notice it's still hanging here, so the battery, I will say, will be safe enough. So just lift this guy and pull the battery from there. This is really the easiest way to do it. Again, you'll see how I broke it, but just on one side. The battery, it's the genuine original one. The brand is Varta. This was a European brand. Voltage it's 7.2 and current it's 240 milliamps. Basically these are 6 cells in serial, and that means each cell is 1.2 and 240 milliamps. So that's just how it adds up. But the replacement, I'll put a link in the video description, check below if you still find them. Normally eBay will sell 3 cells of I think 2.4, is that correct? 2.4 volts each and 240 milliamps each. I did wrap my replacement ones and I put some wires to it, but perhaps I'll try to get this wire from this one. But yes, you can get them. It's not exactly cheap, I guess 15-20 bucks. Don't forget, these are the genuine ones. Don't forget the red wire goes on the positive pole, and the black one, it's the ground, the negative one when you place it on the replacement battery.